Do you need a professional AGA cleaner in Yeovil and surrounding areas of South Somerset and Dorset? Well, you're in the right place. My name is Stuart Baldwin and I'm a perfectionist when it comes to getting your AGA perfectly clean. I pay particular attention to every single detail of your AGA. I only use environmentally friendly and natural products, and unlike any other professional AGA cleaners in the area, you can ring right now and get your call answered, be given a quote and be booked in for your AGA clean by my lovely office staff. But wait a minute, I have a special offer for you. You don't want to use any AGA cleaning company to clean your AGA, not doing a complete, thorough job, using unsafe equipment or products, or taking all day to do it. You need someone with experience, and with over 18 years experience of AGA cleaning, we know how to clean your AGA efficiently, safely and thoroughly, giving you a complete AGA cleaning service. We know how difficult it is to clean your AGA where it is hot and you have little time to pay attention to it, which is why we ensure the perfect job first time, so you can focus on other things in your life. If you call and book right now, we will give you an oven liner that you can use to line your oven tray in your AGA. So call my number now or request a free quote. Let us clean your AGA and give you your AGA something to smile about.